Smile at me, I heard a melody. It haunted me from the start. Something inside of me started a symphony, sing with the strings of my heart.
Was like a breath of steel. I had a robin sing all down apart. All nature seemed to be in the perfect harmony. Sing with the strings of my heart.
I guess I always will. I hope we'll never depart. Dear, with your lips to mine, a rhapsody divine. Sing with the string of my heart.
That's what's nice about this. I'm not going to make it down.
When
behind it.
Yeah, I got the green ones. What
I'm
is
going
it?
to take those two home with me and solder new leads on them. That's the problem with them.
It's
It's
supposed,
outright.
it's supposed to light up?
Yeah, they light up, but the trucks don't turn it because the leads are so tight. So they put some big leads on them. I like that.
Well, I've got the big Amtrak cars if you wanted to use them. Yeah, I don't know if they'll be able to pull them on this.
It's got 8 traction tires, 2 big motors.
Yeah, but I'm talking about with the power that the track has.
I don't know, I gotta see if they turn up the voltage. I don't know. If you can vary the voltage of the thing.
I don't want to be a tiger, tiger's way too rough. I don't want to be a lion, 'cause lions ain't the kind you
That's kind of a... That's not a smart move.
I just want to be young.
I got a call from Phil the other night.
Phil,
Had a lot of problems with that suburban tank.
really?